Hey, Scott Murray here, Level 5 Tools. I wanted to talk to you about our VIP club. You know, we created this because we're finisher first. We wanted to create a community where you could go and be a part of learning about Level 5 innovation ahead of everybody else. You get some, behind the scenes, tool specials and discounts that you might be able to take advantage of. Gives us a way to directly communicate with you. But at the end of the day, it really gives you more access to what's going on here at Level 5 Tools. We give away tools every month, so you might want a hand tool set, you might want an automatic taping tool. So it's well worth checking it out on our website, level5tools.com/VIP. Or you can look at the link below on this video, go to our website and you'll find it as well. But check out the Level 5 Tools VIP Club. Also, you can look at our Facebook page, Instagram. We've got a broad community of online assets that help you a lot. In addition, we have a YouTube channel, Level 5 Tools. Sign up and subscribe to that YouTube channel, and you're going to get a lot of great video content. A lot of things are going to help you not only in repair, how to use, information about what lines of tools we do have across the whole taping tool line, hand tool line. So again, check out our VIP Club. Again, we did it for Finisher First. We wanted a place for you guys to learn more about what we're doing at Level 5, have an opportunity to win free tools, get inside information about what we're doing, and really stay ahead of the game when you come to the finishing tool industry. Again, check us out at level5tools.com. Join that VIP Club. Welcome to the Red Zone. If you like this video, hit the like button below and subscribe to our YouTube channel for a lot more information about Level 5 Tools. If you've got questions or more details sought, go to our Facebook page, Level 5 Tools, Instagram, and you can always go to level5tools.com. Welcome to the Red Zone.